Okay, so we're going to have a look at some stocks on the dip: BIYA, OMH, and CTXR. So we're kicking off with BIYA down 31.74% in the regular session of today, the 10th of June, 2025. Let's see whether we can find any news. Okay, let's go back to the daily chart. It hasn't been trading for a long time, so caution is warranted as well. Um, yeah, let's see now. We have let's see what we have. We have 3.96 upper projection and nothing else. It has actually printed lower lows before now, 1.49 as of the 9th of April. I think it probably was rallying with the broader market. And it's been on a strong bullish trend, if you like, since that time. It's just they have pulled the rug on the stock. So you have to be really careful with the stock, yeah, do your due diligence and find out more about the stock, the fundamentals. So as of last week, yeah, something like that. Last week it had 8.65 upper projection, below that $8.8, and then below that 6.95. He actually had 6.95, then 4.76, 4.26, then 3.96. But suddenly they're no longer in play. The only ones in play, or rather, the only one in play is 3.96. Okay, let's quickly look at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we have 5.17 upper projection, going all the way back to early June. Early last week, it had quite a diverse range of projections going from 2.54 all the way towards $6. But yeah, it has with this drop, it has broken through all of those downward projections. Yeah, it's broken through all of them, but has managed to rebound somewhat. So 5.17 upper projection. No guarantee that that will happen. We can have a look at some of the mini charts. They may have some they have extrapolations, but we are not really looking at them. We're just trying to glance at the sort of projections here. So 2.88, the most upper projection in play at the moment. Not very long ago, we had the projections went all the way towards 3.55. They didn't print. None of them. 3.55 didn't print. 3.43 didn't. 3.23 did not. 2.48 did it. Yeah, it did. Anything from 2.91 below printed. But yeah, let's go to 5 minutes and see what we have. Let's see what we have here. 2.363 is a projection. Not long ago, we had projections from 2.7, 2.25 to 3.71. Oh, now look at this. It was quite volatile at some point. Projections went all the way towards 6.36, from 2.79 to 6.36. Okay, let's have a look at the next stock. That will be OMH. OMH is down 31.95. What does the company do? Let's see. OMH, let's see. Okay, real estate. Okay, you have to be careful. You have to be careful about some of these stocks. Just do your due diligence. Is a limited property property technology company. The company, through its subsidiaries, operates a property platform which provides end-to-end property solutions and services for its customers, including brokerage services and then margin and other services such as home renovation and furnishing services, listing and research, mortgage referral, legal services and insurance referral services. Yeah. So yeah, make sure you do your due diligence. These some of these stocks are not investment grade; they're just trade grade, and that is if you know how you're going to make the trade work. So let's come and see what's going on with the stock. OMH. Okay, it's been trading for a reasonable length of time. Extrapolations are here. We have 2.61 upper projection. Yeah, not very long ago, had projections all the way towards 5.73 as of last week. Let's see what extrapolations are saying. So yeah, here swift rebound is expected. I think, yeah, and they're going all the way towards Monday, the 23rd of June. No guarantee that that will be the case. So as a matter of fact, yeah, a swift rebound and then some contraction afterwards. So even is expected to remain above its current level by the 24th of July. But you can rely on this. You can rely on this at all. Okay, let's. Yeah, there might be some news. Let's see. Just okay, just one of the stocks on the list. Nothing. Okay, this is the pre-market. Okay, stock down 31%, lower, raising Monday's nearly 300% rise. Okay, so this is just a pullback. Just yeah, you have to be careful as well. Yeah, yeah, that's yeah, sprung from 52-week low, 0.5, 0.6129, and printed 2.4. Yeah, okay, and it's coming back from those levels. But the algos are saying that it's going to rebound again. But regardless, um, just be cautious. Just be cautious. Okay, let's look at the 4 hour chart and see what's afoot here. Okay, so the okay algos are projecting. It's just a correction. It's correcting, but it doesn't mean that it's that's you know, doesn't mean that everything is all right. So the actually a quick rebound, a swift rebound is expected to remain in place all the way towards Tuesday the 17th of June, and then maybe we'll cool off again. No guarantee that that will be the case as well. Let's see what we have in terms of projections. 1.44, it's a down projection. 1.77 upward. 1.97. Yeah. Let's see whether we can. Let's look at the 3 hour chart to see what's on display here and there. Okay, yeah, swift rebound as well. Yeah, a neutral contraction, more of an accumulative contraction is expected to kick in, but no guarantee that that will be the case. What we have, it's a downward projection, 0.9163. Let's look at the 2 hour chart. Yeah, we have downward projections. Yeah, 1 point, we have 0.9163, 0.7 0.041, 1.07, upper projection 0.167, just slightly above where it is right now. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. Yeah, let's see now. We have upper projection here. We have some 2.05, 2.51. Yeah, some of those minute charts, they can have some things. Let's look at the 5 minutes. We have 1.88 upper projection, or 1.98 as well. This is the highs of yesterday. So here, let's see what we have. We have some downward projections. The upper projection here is 2.53. That will be testing the highs of yesterday, 2.53. Yeah. Okay, so let's move on to the next stock. Next is CTXR. Down 22.99%. Let's see what's going on. CTXR. Lower prices are extrapolated. We have swift rebound in the interim towards 1.74 by Wednesday, Friday the 13th. That is this week. But after that, lower prices are extrapolated. Nothing, not a guarantee. 1.21 is slight upper projection. Let's see whether we can find what the news is. Citius Pharmaceuticals are maintained at buy. Okay, nothing. Yesterday, it announced Citius Oncology enters into distribution services agreement with Cardinal Health. Looks like it's pulling back from yesterday's highs. Who knows? Okay, let's look at the 4 hour chart. Yeah, it seems yesterday it spiked. Yeah, and then it's just correcting. So a distributive contraction is expected. What we have is a downward projection of 0.8966, nothing upwards. Let's see what we have here for. Yeah, we have, what did it print here? 1.93. So we have some projections here. Okay, 2.17, the most upper projection. Below that, 1.31, 1.24, 1.12. On this 3 hour chart, it's the extrapolation is accumulative contraction. Let's see the 2 hour chart. Two-hour chart is what is it saying? Stock is trying to rebound. It seems 2.17. Yeah, same as on the 1 hour chart. Between 1.12 and 2.17. 1 hour chart. Let's see. Let's see what we have. We have a neutral extrapolation, but at various times printing prices that may be rejected at its, this is its what's this moving average? is it 21 period moving average. It looks like it's going to serve as a resistance for some for yeah, maybe in future. Yeah, it may serve. Yeah, it may serve as well. Not really. We just have an extrapolation there. I mean, it's where it currently is. Where it currently is now, 1.21 might be okay. There were some. There were some projections back then that it didn't wasn't able to break through. This was all the way back in April, so I guess that's why the algos are reiterating it. Okay, let's see whether we can find anything really radical here on the 1 minute chart. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, no, 1.22. Projections go from 0.9449 to 1.22. The stock has been rebounding, recovering ground, pulling back, and okay, yeah, nothing. Let's quickly check 5 minutes, see if there's anything here. We have projections from 0.943 all the way towards 1.22. Yeah. Okay. See what you make of these stocks: BIYA, OMH, CTXR, and thank you very much for watching this video.